Hi guys, welcome back to another tutorial video. So in the following video I will guide you to use the Flightly app on a device. Now if you want to use the Flightly app or the flight tracking app on a device but you don't know how to do it, then this is the video for you. So simply watch the video till the very end to know about it. So let's get started. Now Flightly is a powerful flight tracking app that provides the real-time updates, live notifications and detailed flight insights. Now here is how you can use it. First thing which you need to do is make sure that you have installed the app. So if you have not installed, you may open App Store or Play Store on a device and you may simply download the app from App Store. And after opening the app, you need to sign into your account by using the Apple ID or the email address. So open the Flightly app and you may click on the profile icon at the very top right, and here you will see the number of flights and all of it. So click on the option of settings. So you need to sign into your account, and after signing to your account you may track the flight. So to track a flight manually, you need to search the flight from the search box, and here you will see the suggested flight, and you may also search the flight by the route or the flight by the flight number. So to add it, you need to simply type the flight number or the plane number, and you may click on the flight and you may choose the date accordingly, or you may also pick it from the calendar and you need to select the flight for where you are looking or for the date you are looking. And you may also get the real time flight notifications by seeing the live flight status, push notifications or aircraft insights and all of it. So by doing all of it, you'll be able to use the Flightly app on device. So that's it. Thank you for watching the video. Please don't forget to like the video and subscribe to our channel. Thank you.